Hi guys, exeter-rider. Thank you very much for joining me this week. This is going to be all about ACF-50 and how to apply it. Right, so here we are, look, ACF-50. You can buy this stuff in bottle form like this, or you can actually buy it in a squeezy spray thing as well. So what I do, I use this HVLP kit here, which is available. I got this one from Screwfix, and it's basically that's like, sounds like a Hoover when you start it up, or a vacuum, should I say. And basically it just comes with a spray gun like that. So you put your contents of the ACF-50 in there, and then it's ready to spray. Very, very good bit of kit. And what it does is it warms up the ACF-50 as it's going through as well, because of the nature of the way it operates, and it atomizes better. So me personally, I think it's a much better way than using a compressor. Compressors do tend to draw in moisture as they run, and they pump up the actual cylinder. It's cheaper to buy, cheaper to run, and easier to store. So it's got a lot going for it, and I cannot recommend this stuff enough. So I mean, you can already see that all this metal here has come up like new. It even brings the plastics back up to scratch as well. And we've all seen the back to black stuff and the Maguire's back to black product, but the ACF-50 does actually activate something, the oils within the plastic, which bring it back again. It also lubricates it, and any rust that you do have on it, or any surface rust, even on chrome, it tends to reverse the cycle of the rusting process. So incredibly clever stuff. It's very cheap and easy to spray, and certainly this time of year, it really is worth considering. I can't stress how good the stuff is. Absolutely fantastic stuff. I'll take you straight to the actual application of it now. Hi guys, thank you very much for watching. I hope that comes of service to you, and also I hope it's something that you can try yourself as well. What I would advise, if you're sort of 50-50 about it, is that you can actually buy a spray gun from Amazon, for example, just to try it. Okay, so you can get the spray gun, give it a light spray in a small patch if you want. See how you get on with it. Like I say, I cannot rate it high enough. It's just a must have for me. I don't think you can be without ACF-50 through the winter months. All right, so go and buy some, try it. Thank you very much for watching. If you could give it a great big like, I would much appreciate it. And if you haven't subscribed already, then hit the subscribe button and hit the little bell as well, so you get the notifications, and that helps me out a lot. So thank you very much for watching. See you next week.